What's going on, Mullet fam? Back at you with another morning video. I'm still here, still grinding it out with y'all. I know there's a lot of fear and uncertainty in this play, and the news that came out after hours really shook some people up. People didn't know how to take that news. Some people might have, gave in to it, and shorts tried to push it down below 25 cents during the regular market hours. They tried numerous times after pushing the price down right at market open. So in my opinion, I believe they took advantage of this news coming out right after hours so that they can get that break below 25-cent mark like they've been wanting to do. Now, it is possible to retest 21 cents again after breaking below 25, but I believe when it comes down to Mullen's current situation and what that press release does for the stock, nothing has really changed in my opinion, besides the amount of fear that's been embedded in the stock lately and the attack with this news coming out. Shout out to, I believe the name is PR71 over on Stock Twist for the quote, "Nothing's really changed." Just to let y'all know, I do read comments and I don't mind taking advice and constructive criticism. I do value your opinions. Now, with this new filing, I didn't jump straight into it and try to, hurry up and put something out about it. I wanted to sit back and, observe and, trying to get some information together about it and, to see why there was a panic around it, because people probably, got scared of it as soon as it came out. But from what I got from it is that 220 million shares are up for resale by these selling stockholders, the same selling stockholders that gave $150 million to Mullen Automotive so it can close out its deals on Elm's solution. Now, so a lot of people out there are calling it dilution and an offering and stuff like that, but that is not necessarily the case, because these stockholders, selling stockholders, are actually key for the company, because if you remember, Mullen Automotive granted up to 900 million shares for these selling stockholders so that Mullen Automotive can get a certain amount of funds from these selling stockholders. It's kind of like a loan in my opinion. So you loan somebody $150 million to do whatever they want to do, you want interest. So with that interest, 220, that 150 million turns to 220. But in the form of convertible notes. So these convertible notes can be converted into actual shares. These selling stockholders can do whatever they want with it at whatever price point and time frame that's in that filing. They can close out short positions with it. They can short it into the market. On the plan of distribution section of the filing, it tells you exactly what these selling stockholders can do with these convertible notes. And like I said, I don't think nothing has really changed. I can see why it could, create a little bit of fear seeing that news come out and the stock price gets pushed down below that critical 25-cent mark. But this is where the power of the people, of the retail investors, really come in, because the fear is out there in full force trying to get you to sell and bring it lower. Remember, I told you guys the fear is at some of its highest levels right before a pop to the upside. It happens every time on Mullen Automotive stock, and we have catalysts coming up November 30. I hope I clarified a little bit and made things a little easy to understand. I hope y'all find this information valuable. Stay charged up out there, and as always, don't feed the fear. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone.